Crash investigation. Gaplan has crashed. We actually think we know what's happened. I'll let Tim explain what he thinks happened here.
So what we think has happened is the aileron hinges have given way. So where's the rest of this wing? So there was a failure in flight and two pieces clearly fluttered down, and I think it was these two.
Yes,
and obviously the rest of the
ones.
model, it was already in a dive, so the rest of the model carried in. But if you look here, I think the outer aileron hinges have just failed, and as that's pulled, it's put loading on that and just split it off along the glue joint.
Right, geez. And do they smash when they hit the ground, huh? Ooh.
Look, that literally goes back together.
Yeah, and they floated down after.
They did. They came down a long time after
to come
that.
down, yeah.
And have a look here. It shows you how hard it hit. This section of the wing is actually embedded into the turf. Oh. So, bin bag.
Bin bag, we've got the bag.
Bag of shame.
The bag is there.
The gear survived, so it's a good landing.
Yeah, it is, look. And that's usually what breaks, isn't it?
That's what breaks.
Yeah.